Hello friends, welcome to Praveen Karlapudi channel. In this today's session, we are going to learn about work. What is definition of a work? In physics, work means more than something that requires physical or mental effort. Now, take a block. It has its potential energy. If you put some force on it, it moves. If you don't put any force, it doesn't move. Like this, work means more than something that requires physical or mental effort. Work is done on an object when a force causes a displacement of the object. Now, if you pull or push an object, it moves some distance. So that is called work. If you push or pull some object, if it moves, it is called work. Now see, work is the product of the force applied to an object and the displacement of the object. Now, work is the product of the force. If you push, it is the product of the force. Which force? The force applied to the object and the distance moved when we push or pull the object. Now for this, from these three conditions we can know that work is done on an object with a force causes a displacement. So work is directly proportional to the force and also directly proportional to the displacement. So now by formula is work is equal to force times displacement. Now you can see here a lady is carrying a bag. Now she is in work or not doing any work? She is not doing any work because see here, lady has done work when she has lifted sack from the ground to overhead. Before she did work, now she didn't do any work because she lifted the bag, sack bag from the ground and put it on her head. So neither work is not happening nor she is not moving also. Now see the lower condition. A man is pulling a object which is having a mass m and he is pulling with an angle theta. You can see here. Now is there any work happening there? Yes, you are correct. There is work happening because if the man pulls the mass, the mass moves for some distance and also he is applying some force. So if there is any force or a movement of the object, it is called work. Their work is happening. I think you can understand it. Now look at here, there are some examples. So the first one, take the first one, girl. She is pushing a block. Is there any work happening? Yes, you are right. She is pushing. So there is some force applying on the block and the block is moving some distance. Okay, now for the second, she has a bag on her back and walking. Is there any work happening there? No, there is no work happening there because the object is not moving and also she is not applying any force on the object. So there is no work happening on the bag. Now see the third one. She is picking the some cover and groceries in the cover. Is there any work happening on the cover? Yes, because she is lifting, it is moving upward and having some displacement, means moving from down place to up place. She is lifting, and also there is applying some force also, so there is happening a work. Now in the fourth condition, she is taking the bag, the cover in her hand and walking. Is there any work happening there? No, there is no work happening there, because the object is not moving and also she is not applying any force on the object. So there is not happening any force. So there is no work there. Now with this formula we shall do a problem now. Okay. Now see here, a man is pushing a block with a force of 12 newtons and it is moving 5 meters. Now tell me, what is the work happened in this problem? Apply the formula which I showed to you. Yes, you are correct. That is 60 newtons. Because the force equal to, the work equal to force into displacement. Now the force here is 12 newtons and the displacement is 5 meters. Now 12 into 5 is equal to 60. So the work done is 60 newtons. Now here you have a problem. A man is taking the book and pulling upward. Is there any force happening there? Yes, you are correct. A man is pulling up, so there is the force, and the book is going upward and there is the displacement. So there is work happening here, and if we release the book falls on the table again. Now is there any work happening there? Think and tell. Yes, the work is happening, because you can see here down, work is a process by which energy can change forms. Gravitational force, we can tell that, gravitational force. So it is also a force, and the book moves from the air and to the table. So there is also a displacement. So this is called work. Now we shall derive a formula. See here, a man is pulling a block, because there is a happening some work, because the block changed its position from somewhere to somewhere. It happened at distance d, and he pulled. So this is also a force. Now see, he pulled it with an angle. So by Pythagoras theorem you can tell that the work done is equal to force into displacement, force bar into displacement bar. So it is force into displacement into cos theta. Work done is the amount of energy transferred. Work done equal to force into distance moved in the direction of the force. Work done equal to delta E, and work done equal to force into displacement of the distance. Now W equal to work done, delta E is equal to energy transferred, force is equal to newtons, F equal to force, D equal to distance moved in the direction of the force. Now we shall do a problem here. See the question. What is the work done on the box by F during the displacement, and the applied at the angle is 45 degrees here. Now we should find the work done. We know that the work done formula is F bar into D bar. Now it is moving with a constant angle, so F into D into cos theta. Now write the force, they did not give any value. So F into displacement, they didn't give any value. B into cos theta. What is theta here? 45 degrees. Now what is cos 45? You all know that cos 45 is equal to 1 by, now force into displacement by root 2 is the answer. I am not getting very nice in the video. Okay, now I have some questions to do. Now from the first question, A equal to 100 newtons force is applied to move a 15 kg object a horizontal distance of 5 meters at constant speed. And the second question is, a 100 newtons force is applied at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal to move a 15 kg object at a constant speed of a horizontal distance of 5 meters. And the third question is, an upward force is applied to the lift a 15 kg object to a height of 5 meters at constant speed. Do these three problems. I think you can do it by seeing. Now do these three problems and comment the answers in the comment section given below. Thank you.